Take a ride in the 2017 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, battery saver, braking assist, body color door handles. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.